Welcome to .NET Made Easy. If you are a complete beginner and want to learn C Sharp and .NET, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio step by step very easily. No technical knowledge is required. Just follow the steps. Let's start. Before installing, let's quickly understand what Visual Studio is. Visual Studio is an IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment. We use Visual Studio to write, run, and debug C Sharp and .NET applications. It is developed by Microsoft and the Community Edition is completely free. This is enough for learning and professional development also. Now let us see how to download Visual Studio. Now open your browser and search for the Visual Studio download. You can see the Visual Studio Microsoft official link. Click on that link and here you can see three versions of Visual Studio, that is Community, Professional and Enterprise. Let's click on Community version. After downloading, open the installer. Now this step is very important. Here you need to select workloads. First select .NET Desktop Development. This is required to build C Sharp console and Windows applications. And if you want to build web applications in future, then select ASP.NET and web development. For beginners, these two options are enough. Now click on this exe. This pop-up appears. Click on yes. Click on continue. Now it opens the Visual Studio installer. Once it's downloaded, we're going to install. Now you can see there are three versions. I have previously downloaded 2022 and installed it also. This is a Visual Studio Community version. I will click on modify here because I already have that. When we click on modify, things are getting ready. Now click on ASP.NET and web development option. If you want, you can click on Python development and .NET desktop development and click on. You'll see here install. I am getting here modify because already I have that. So I click on modify. So it starts downloading. It takes time. Once your installation is completed, open Visual Studio and you may be asked to sign in. You can sign in with your Microsoft account or skip it for now. Now, in this, I will pause this and click on launching the community version of 2022. When we have started it, I have recently created some of the projects, so it is showing that. I will click continue without code. When we click on continue with that code, we'll see this pop up. Just click on new and project. Now we'll create a simple console application here. Select console app .NET framework. Let's rename it first console app. Okay, you can browse the path where you want to save. You can save. Here is a solution name and .NET framework, name of the framework. Now click on create. Now here you can see, here are the namespaces using system, collections, generic, link queue and text, threading task. These are the namespaces. We'll see this one by one, what is namespace and what is class and what is static. All the things we're going to see in the next lecture. So just concentrate on this. First I'll create a console dot write line. We'll have to see this. So in order to print, you have to select console.readline. Click on save and this start. Here it is. You can see hello and welcome. That's it for this video. If your Visual Studio is installed successfully, please comment installed in the comment section. And in the next video, we'll write our first C# program. Subscribe to this channel to learn C# and .NET from beginner to advanced level. Thank you for watching.